Let's see.
Yeah.
It's in.
Estelle.
Shebe wayinyazi.
Hawu ito vibrator.
Yeah.
Immediate payment. Oh, Capitec to Capitec.
Eh, ito vibrator mo.
It's no.
Ano?
Times.
Ano resta nga?
I'm gonna tell you guys if it's legit.
Now you're gonna see the account. PP close poison. The
Ah, Shebe mar. Ima. Ayikangeni.
Oh, yan.
Early missing glove, man. Yeah?
Messages.
Yenzile, yasiyenziwa.
Ima.
Kibuka.
Oh, shit.
Ene mina ngeke ngibuyise.
Aribone zi, sifuna proof.
Yeah, ngifuna ukuthi ayothenga imoto. Ngifuna ukuthi ayothenga imoto. Tem.
Let me see.